Vowels in Georgian. There are 5 vowels in Georgian and 5 letters to represent these vowels. You are going to start with these vowels because there are less vowels than consonants and because you will be able to identify the vowels in a word, which will be helpful. These are the 5 vowels.
Pa, K, T, Po, Fu.
How to learn them? There is a trick that we would like to share with you. This is called mnemonic. For each letters, try to think how they look like to remember the sounds associated. Let us give you some examples. For us, the letter
E
looks like a horseshoe. There are 3
E
in the word Tbilisi. So, we made the sentence there are 3 horseshoes in Tbilisi. It doesn't make any sense, but this is how we remembered this letter. Another example with the letter O. For us, this letter looks like the half of a heart. The word for heart is cœur in French. O is the first vowel from this word. Look at the 5 vowels and find a mnemonic trick to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Done? Thank you. We are going to show you some words. Identify the vowels in each words.
Deda, Mama, Gogo, Tbilisi, Sakartvelo, Bići, Fuli, Furi, Saprangeti, Italija, Germania.
Finally, you can practice identifying the vowels in Georgian words in the transparent words section of Chapter 1. End of the lesson.